Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to practice your movement or your aiming in Battle Royale mode. So first, click the Battle Royale mode at the right of your screen. So this is Battle Royale matchmaking. You can choose your avatar and custom your loadout first before we are going jump to the practice mode. So after that, click the game mode at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there are 4 modes that you can play in Battle Royale. So this is the rank match. You can push your rank in this mode. This is a multiplayer. This is the new feature, and that this is Battle Royale training ground that we can try it now to practice. So confirm the Battle Royale training ground. So let's start. Welcome to Battle Royale ground. This is your loadout. So I choose the M4 LMG. This is my favorite weapon in Battle Royale mode. Confirm. As you can see, this is a Battle Royale training ground. So you can practice your aim. There are some target that you can shoot to practice your aim. And also you can freely roaming to practice your movement. So before you jump to main game to push your rank, you can training here in training ground mode of Battle Royale. And also you can choose the other weapon. This is the feature of a training ground. You can try open it. This is you can try the other weapon to try it out, practice in this ground. So thanks for today, and also don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.